and how different technologies and tools of data analytics can push for business growth and success. In machine learning, there are two terms, supervised machine learning and unsupervised machine learning. Can we explore a little bit more about supervised machine learning and in the business application side, how that helps the business?
Absolutely. So I'll give you a practical use case. So we had a client who used to offer discounts for its products.
Yes.
But they would do that for a business logic. So they would say, when my product's been on the shelf, I'm going to put 20% off. Then after another week, another 10%, and so forth. When you see, if you look in the shop, 70% off, 50% off. But this is driven by business logic, not by actual data. So what we did is we deployed something called supervised machine learning. And the reason it's called supervised machine learning is because we have an outcome. The outcome is, what is the discount price?
Right.
Okay. So do we offer 10%, 20%, 30%, 40%? And the input variables were how long has the product been in the shelf? How much demand is there? Each week, how many of these items are bought? And then we looked at how much stock you have. Okay. So we use these variables and many more, like competition and pricing. With many more, and then we predicted what is the optimal discount based on those key measures.
Okay. So we can apply that in a business like running a restaurant. Okay, and we can then come up with the number of the optimal resource number to run that the restaurants properly.
Absolutely. So that's exactly a great application of that. So if you have, let's say, a chain of restaurants and you have all the staff, you want to be able to put the right number of staff in the right restaurant. This is where supervised machine learning can help. It will take variables such as how busy you are, the time of the day, your location, and then say, right, for these types of factors, you need this many staff. For these type of factors, you need this many staff. And that way you can work out on what day do you need what staff in what location.
Another example could be in healthcare. And we can see how can you optimize the doctors and your clinical resources to serve your customers better.
Absolutely. Anywhere where you need to optimize some kind of allocation, machine learning is very good for that, because what you have is historical data of where you've put doctors in the ward and how many patients have come. And in other wards where you've got fewer doctors and lots of patients. So because you have that historical data, the algorithm, our supervised machine learning algorithm can learn which is the optimal number of resources or clinicians to put in different departments based on the number of patients coming in, and also other variables like the severity of the injury or the condition.
So whether you are a healthcare provider seeking for your patient satisfaction or a retailer looking for more efficiency in your business of resource utilization, you can use supervised machine learning as a technology for push for your business growth. Thanks a lot.